Hey, my name's Matt Spinner, and today I'm going to be doing my bike check. So right here, can't really see it, but it's my all custom bike. I don't think anything is stock on it that I know of. So that's it. And but I'm gonna show you all the parts I ride, what I've broken, what I recommend, and all that. So here's my bike. My grips are Fit Tech grips with ODI bar ends, nitrous OG bars, stolen convict stem, black. My kink outfit frame, black. I bought it off my friend Pat Tobias. It's really good. I love it. I have just a 413 chromoly fork. I got that off Dance Comp. It's really good. I recommend it. But it's not a brand or anything. I have a Kenda contact tire in the front and a Kenda contact in the back. My pegs are salt pegs. Salt pegs. Salt wheel, 2 salt complete wheels. Well, no, the back one's not a salt. It's Quando, whatever it is. But another salt peg. I have a Shadow hub guard, black. It's a universal hub guard, so it fits any hub. I love it. I just got it today. Actually, just put it on. Haven't rode it yet. My seat is a Odyssey 8-kin seat with a kink seat post. I recommend the seat because it's really good and it's really comfortable. And then there's the seat post, which is the kink seat post, and then integrated seat clamp. But for the cranks, I have eclat pedals, amber cranks, and an amber bottom bracket. Other side, other amber crank, other eclat pedal. That's my bike. I'll put in some riding clips, but what I usually wear when I ride is, well, I don't have them with me right now, but I have black Nike 6.0s, low. They're Maverick mid, I think. No, Maverick low. But oh, I forgot the headset. Kink headset. Fits good. Oh. My chain is a amber chain, amber 500 chain. My sprocket is a salt sprocket, 25T. I think that's my bike. I think that's everything. Oh, and blue alloy valve caps. That's my bike. But that's it. I'm gonna put in some riding clips at the end of this video. Subscribe, watch my videos if you want to see more of me riding, or Gate My Bikes versus me and my friends, or a team video on Hook It. Our team name is Basement BMX. If you want to apply for the team, you want to talk to Brian Lyden. Yeah, you want to talk to Brian. You want to consult with Brian Lyden. So that's my bike check. Subscribe, watch my videos. My YouTube name is mspinny. 1998, Spinney. That's basically everything. This is my bike. And subscribe, watch my video, subscribe and like my videos. No bad comments, please. I've gotten a lot of them, and I hate them. So, wait, hold on. These are my old forks. See, look, they're perfectly straight right now. Yeah, perfectly straight. And as I work my way down, there's a huge bend in it. I've broken these, popped those tires. I've, really dented up some We the People, bars. But that's my bike, subscribe, all that other crap. Bye. And watch my videos.